Hello guys, Thomas here, TV Forza Team G-Pit with a Traxxas XRT. Just playing around a little bit here. Had a low C5TE 3.0 out and smoked it. Gonna go over the short setup. Oh, the fuck! Oh. Good job, Thomas. Fucking moron. Gonna see if I can hit that ramp. Definitely need to go up a little bit in my middle diff. What do you think, guys? True chassis down there. That is so rough here and it's so hard to control it. Okay. Oh. Oh, there she is. Maybe we could try here. I would probably hit myself. Slippery. Ah, just one more, then I'm gonna go home. Too tired for this shit. And we smoked the tire, so we smoked the tire. Yes, extremely close to the but it's still working. Some good amount of jumps. Time to go home and sleep. Thanks for watching, guys.